This is rpgmaker Bloody Tutorials, and this is my very first tutorial. But before we begin, we must think of what yesterday was. Valentine's Day. A day that will live in infamy. If you do not buy the best jewelry, the right flowers, your life can be a living heck and back. But now, how does that relate to RPG Maker? Well, it is similar. When making a game, you must first consider what you make your game with. Say, if you're going to make a horror game, like we're going to do, can we use RPG Maker? The answer is yes. Most people believe, however, that RPG Maker is made solely for RPGs. However, with tile manipulation, we can easily turn it into a horror game, as well as working with events. So, let's get started. First thing we need to do is go File, New Project. Then we go to Map Properties. Keep this the same. Change Field to Interior. And we start building our map. First, go to the map editor if you're new to RPG Maker. And we're going to use the pencil tool. We're also going to add a little bit of black. Now select a tile. Me, I'm going to use this, but to each their own. Now we don't want a complete rectangle. So we're going to do a few little bit of tweaking here. I'm sorry. I just got a new laptop and I'm used to mice. And unfortunately it has a touchpad. Next we'll click this. Make it a little different. We can add another tile, say a darker tile. Sorry about that, messed up again. Like I said, I'm still getting used to this mouse pad. I mean touchpad. I'll just edit that out. Go over to B here. Oh, sorry, I messed up. Now we're going to do the flooring. Now go over to B. And as you can see, we have Eric, the basic RPG maker sprite, in his face. Now how can we change that? Well, if you're new, click on the character generator. You can adjust hair color, eye color, skin. I think I'll make it have green eyes. I might tap one better. Now, if we want to save this, this will be his face. Click Output Face. Name the file. I'll name it Kaido, because that's going to be my character. And if you want to save your sprite, click Output Character, name it. Now, what are we going to do with poor old Eric? Tools, Database. Change that to the character you created name, if you wish, or any name you want. Choose your sprite. Choose your face graphic. Now we want to click on Events, and we're going to delete the player start temporarily. You'll find out why in a minute. Then click on map 1, copy, paste. And you can see we no longer have Tato in the picture. Now we can set back to start for player, click down here, make sure that this is event touch. One, show text, select your face graphic. Now, I did this for a reason, if you're going to ask in the comments. For people that are new, they might just click OK, but it's always best to hit preview first. Change lowercase I to capital I. And now we can see our text. But all we see is a blue little text. Now how can we change that? Well, by going to dim background. Now click again with left click. Go to 2, wait 60 frames. Show text. We're not putting in a picture graphic this time. And as you can see, we forgot the dim background. So if we right click and put edit, we can now make it black as well. Now wait 60 frames. Left click again. Tint screen. Night. Now, we forgot to put a bed. Whatever should we do? Well, if we click back on the map editor, sorry I did this for a reason, just in case anybody's new and thinks that you cannot add a new tile if you go to the events. Go to B. And while we're over here, let's add a window. Now, let's play test and see how the game works. We seem to run into a problem here. We cannot go to where we placed our event. But don't worry, that's easily fixed. Go back to A, click on the flooring tile again. As you can see, our event survived, which is always a good thing. Now let's try playtesting you again. As you can see, it went completely dark. But now we have another problem. What are we ever going to do about that little blue title screen? Well, that's quite simply fixed. Go to Tools, Database, System, Window Color. Now some prefer kind of a grayish black. I like complete black better, but to each their own. Go back to playtest. Now it looks quite good. As you can see, we now have a black box. But now what if we wanted to add in our own graphic? Well, that is easy as well. Go to Tools, Resource Manager, Titles. I just went to one. Import. You say that's too big, but that's just to show you how to do it. We're not actually importing that. Now mine is actually in rpgmaker Ace. And you see now it has a red. The red means that it is not an RPG Maker title. but one that we had created ourselves. I got a system. Deselect this. Title. None. Hit OK. Now let's play test it and see what it looks like. As you can see, we no longer have the colorful, pretty title screen that we had before. In the next video, we'll find out why we copied map 1 and made map 2, and how to turn this simple map into a bloodbath, as well as adding lighting. Thank you, and stay tuned.